Hi all, this is 8th standard science class, first lesson, measurement. In these textbook exercises, we are going to see fill in the blanks part. This is the second part in that textbook exercises. So we are going to see these fill in the blanks. The first question is, the solid angle is measured in dash. So this is the book view part. In this, how it was mentioned, where it was mentioned in the textbook was shown by a box, and you can see the message, the cut portion of that textbook page shows 1.2.6 solid angle. The solid angle is the angle formed by three or more planes intersecting at a common point. It can also be defined as angle formed at the vertex of the cone. The SI unit of solid angle is steradian and is denoted as SR. So the answer is the solid angle is measured in steradian. Next question. The coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by dash. So what was mentioned in the book, we are going to see this. It was in this page. I have shown that page in the right side of the part. From that box, I opened this small view of that. Finally, I shown that in a black line, the quantity is temperature. So, the hotness or coldness of a substance is expressed by temperature. That will be the right answer. Then, next question, third. Dash is used to measure electric current. So, what will be that? We will go to this book view. Here the box shown here, that was ammeter. So we can fill the blanks with ammeter. If you read that with the blanks means ammeter is used to measure electric current. Then fourth one. 1 mole of a substance contains dash atoms or molecules. This is the book view. The box message shows the answer. The mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 entities. It is denoted as mole. So the answer is 1 mole of a substance contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms or molecules is the answer. Then fifth one. The uncertainty in measurement is called as dash. You can see it in the page of the book view. These uncertainties are called as errors. So the underlined errors is the answer. We can fill that in the blanks. The uncertainty in measurement is called as errors. Sixth one. The closeness of the measured value to the original value is dash. So in the book, it was mentioned as accuracy is the closeness of a measured value to the actual value. It was underlined here. So the answer is accuracy. Again, I will read it. Sixth question. The closeness of the measured value to the original value is accuracy. Seventh one. The intersection of the two straight lines gives us dash. Here is the book view. You can see the underlined one. Plane angle is the angle made at the intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two planes. So the answer will be plane angle. Again, I will read it. Seventh question. The intersection of two straight lines gives us plane angle. The third portion. The question heading is state true or false. If false, correct the statement. So there will be statements in this section. We have to find whether it is true or false. If false means, then we have to correct that statement. That will be the portion. The first one. The temperature is a measure of total kinetic energy of the particles in a system. The statement is true. So there is no need to correct the statement. Then second one. If 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 minute, it is called ampere. We will see the book. In this book, it was mentioned as 1 second. So the statement is false. Again, we have to correct that statement. So it was written like this. If 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 second, it is called ampere. Third one. The amount of substance gives the number of particles present in a substance. So we have to find whether it is true or false. This is the book view. Here I will read it. Amount of substance is a measure of the number of entities present in a substance. So what it is saying, the same words are coming here. The amount of substance gives the number of particles present in a substance. So the statement is true. Fourth one, intensity of light coming from a candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. Here the book view comes. What the book says is the light emitted from a common wax candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. You have to note that approximately equal to 1 candela. So the statement is true. Fifth one, quartz clocks are used in GPS devices. What does the book says? It is in atomic clock. The atomic clock only using this GPS services. So the statement is false and we have to rewrite the statement as atomic clocks are used in GPS devices. Then the sixth one, angle formed at the top of a cone is an example for plane angle. Shall we see in the book? Here it is a cone and top of angle is there. So what is the statement? The question is about plane angle, but the matter is coming is cone. Actually, plane angle should be of planes. If cone is mentioned means then the angle will be solid angle. So the statement is false. And again, I have written that sixth, angle formed at the top of a cone is an example for solid angle. Seventh one, the number 4.582 can be rounded off as 4.58. Is that statement is true or false? We will see from the book, the problem 4, what it mentioned is we need to round off the number to 2 decimal places. So the last digit to be kept is 6. Since this next digit is less than 5, we can retain 6 as it is. So the answer is 1.86. Likewise, in this question, we have to see the last two decimal places 5 8, and after that coming is number 2 which is less than 5 can be rounded off to 4.58. So the statement is true. We will see in the next portion. Thank you.